You work hard, you manage your business, and you deserve a home that takes care of itself. But instead, you're still losing hours every week pushing a heavy vacuum around like it's 1995. That ends today. We are counting down the top 7 best smart home robot vacuums of 2026, all available right now on Amazon. We aren't just looking at vacuums, we are looking at the evolution of home freedom. Stay tuned, because our number 1 pick doesn't just clean, it navigates your home with a level of intelligence that feels like science fiction. Before we unlock the secret to a self-cleaning home, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We help you master the latest tech so you can spend your time on what actually matters. Our story begins with the reliable workhorse. The Dreame D10 Plus Gen 2. This is the gateway robot. It's for people tired of the $1,000 plus price tags but who still want a premium experience. It features 6,000 Pascal Vormax suction, which is a massive jump from the Gen 1. It's designed specifically to pull deep-seated pet hair out of carpets. The Plus refers to the Dual Boost 2.0 self-empty station that uses air pressure to blast the robot's bin clean in seconds, meaning you don't touch dust for 90 days. It uses LiDAR navigation to map your home in minutes, even in total darkness, creating a digital twin of your floor plan on your phone. But what happens when the house gets messy? Meet the iRobot Roomba J7. This is the vacuum that respects your home surprises. iRobot created the pet owner official promise. It is a literal legal guarantee. If the J7 fails to avoid solid pet waste within the first year, iRobot will replace the entire unit for free. It uses a front-facing camera and precision vision navigation. Unlike older Roombas that bump into things, the J7 identifies objects. It knows the difference between a couch leg and a tangled iPhone cable. It will actually send you a photo of an obstacle it doesn't recognize and ask, should I clean around this or avoid it in the future? Now the story shifts from just vacuuming to total floor care. The Ecovacs Deebot X8 Pro Omni is a powerhouse. The X8 Pro Omni features Ozmo Turbo 2.0 dual spinning mops. Most robots just drag a wet cloth. This one applies downward pressure and spins at 180 revolutions per minute. The dock is a masterpiece. It washes the mop pads with 55 degrees Celsius hot water to kill bacteria and melt grease, then dries them with hot air so they never smell like a damp basement. We're getting deeper into the intrigue. The Eufy Omni S2 solves the one problem the others can't: height. It's incredibly slim, reaching the dust under your sofa that hasn't seen the light of day since you moved in. It's quiet, stealthy, and ruthlessly efficient. Eufy engineered the S2 with an ultra-slim chassis. While other premium robots are getting taller due to sensors, the S2 stays low profile to clear the gap under 2026 style designer furniture. It uses active detangling technology. It has a built-in comb that literally strips hair off the brush roll as it cleans, solving the number 1 complaint of long-haired pet owners. We are about to enter the top 3, where the tech gets truly mind-blowing. If you're finding your next home assistant on this list, hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss a deep dive into the tech that makes life easier. Entering the top 3, we have the Mova P10 Pro Ultra. This robot features Mop Extend technology. When the sensors detect a wall or a corner, the robot physically kicks its right mop pad out beyond the body of the vacuum. This allows it to scrub right up against the baseboard, a zone most robots leave a 2-inch gap in. It's a beast with 8,000 Pascal suction, making it one of the most powerful deep cleaners on Amazon. At number 2, the Shark Detect Pro. A vacuum with human-like senses. It uses 4 detect technologies. Dirt Detect that sees hidden dirt and increases power. Edge Detect that blasts air into corners to pull debris out. Floor Detect that senses the difference between hardwood and rug instantly. Light Detect that illuminates dark spots under furniture to find hidden dust. Shark Station has an odor neutralizer puck. As it pulls dust from the robot, it filters the air through a scent cartridge so your house smells like clean linen instead of dusty vacuum. This is it. The most anticipated tech of the year. The brain of the home. The Dreame Matrix 10 Ultra. It is the first to use AI Action 3.0. It doesn't just see obstacles, it understands context. It knows that a toy on a rug should be cleaned around, but a spill on tile requires an immediate mop-heavy response. This model is designed for a water hookup kit. You can literally plumb this dock into your home's water lines, like a fridge or dishwasher. It will fill its own clean water tank and dump its own dirty sewage. It features a 12,000 Pascal suction motor. To put that in perspective, that is roughly 4 times the power of high-end robots from just 2 years ago. It's not just a vacuum, it's a floor restoration system. At the end of the day, these robots aren't about the motors or the suction power. They are about the moment you walk through your front door after a long day at work, and instead of seeing chores, you see a sanctuary. You deserve that peace of mind. All of these are available on Amazon right now. Check the links below to reclaim your time. If you think these vacuums are impressive, you haven't seen anything yet. Click the video on your screen right now, Top 20 Must-Have Smart Home Devices to Make Life Easier, to see the full list of tech that will transform your entire world. Don't forget to subscribe on your way there. See you in the next one.